So where are we?
Oh, we're on the Eiffel Tower.
One at a time. So first, Willem.
We're on the Eiffel Tower.
What are you doing?
Well, we're looking at our view and looking at a soccer practice thingy, and down there. Yeah. And then if you go a little bit over there, you may be able to see a modern art.
Okay, Harm. What else do you want to say, Harm?
Well, the river, you can like see it goes on and on and on and on. Yeah, it's just going on and on and on and on. Well, pretty long.
And over there,
And so then
you can see the Montparnasse Tower, which is right where we're staying. Okay.
Yeah. And there's some people eating pizza.
And that is the Seine River.
I hear a siren. Oh, we're getting under arrest. But then the police have to climb. You might want to strap on.
Yeah, I might. Boy, that's a tall tower. This fun, guys?